Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Looker Studio to build brand reporting dashboards, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing data using Looker Studio for brand reporting dashboards, first, log into your Looker Studio account. Once logged in, click on the Create button in the top left corner of the dashboard. Select data source from the drop-down menu that appears. You will be guided to a list of available connectors. Choose the appropriate connector for the data you wish to pull. For instance, you might select Google Sheets, BigQuery, or any other relevant data source. After selecting your data source, you will need to authorize access if prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your data source. Once connected, you will see the fields and data available for use. Click on Add to Report to bring your selected data into your Looker Studio report. Next, navigate to the Report Editor by selecting Report in the top menu. In the Report Editor, you can customize your layout to fit brand guidelines. Use the tools on the right side to drag and drop charts, tables, and graphs into your report. To visualize your brand data, select the appropriate chart type for your audience. Adjust the dimensions and metrics of your chosen visualizations in the Data Properties panel. Consider adding filters to your report to allow dynamic data exploration. To enhance storytelling, incorporate text boxes to explain key insights. You can also leverage pre-built templates within Looker Studio for a professional layout. When satisfied with your design, proceed by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. From the sharing options, choose whether to invite specific users or create a shareable link. Ensure the proper permission settings are applied for your audience. Finally, test the dashboard by reviewing the insights generated. Make any necessary adjustments based on feedback or new data. Once finalized, your brand reporting dashboard is ready for presentation and analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.